Hi DIYers, I'm George from Alarm Grid. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect your Android phone to a Qolsys IQ Panel 2. So the first thing you just need to know is that the IQ2 Plus uses Alarm.com service. Alarm.com service is what the alarm companies deal out to their customers. So you don't go directly to alarm.com, you have to go to an alarm company to get the alarm.com service. Now here at Alarm Grid, we have a whole bunch of alarm.com plans that you can choose from. Those are going to be any of the cellular based plans. So alarm.com is basically, they always require, even though the panel has a cellular communicator built in and a Wi-Fi built in, alarm.com only has cellular based plans. So even if you were to use just the Wi-Fi, you would still be charged for the cellular service that's in the panel. So that's just something that you need to know whenever you're looking at getting the IQ2 Pluses, the IQ2s, GC3s, Interlogics. Any system that uses alarm.com is always going to be basically on a cellular based or cellular priced plan. Now these IQ2 Pluses have a cellular communicator already built in, and so do the IQ2s. They either have Verizon or they have AT&T. Now they have one or the other, and you actually choose that when you buy your panel. When you guys get alarm.com service with your company, the company is the one that actually pays the cellular fees for AT&T or Verizon, so you guys do not need to contact AT&T or Verizon at all. That is all taken care of when you sign up with your alarm company. Now, like I was saying before, alarm.com does require a cellular service to be enabled. So whenever you're looking at plans for companies, you need to make sure you're looking at cellular-based plans or alarm.com plans. Now, alarm.com it's an interactive platform that allows you to control your alarm system from your Android device, whether it's a phone, tablet. You can even log on to the website alarm.com and control it from a computer if you needed to as well. But basically, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to control it on the alarm.com app, or how to start off getting alarm.com. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm working with my tablet here, and let me go ahead and get everything ready for you. Alright, so once you have your Android device, whether it's an iPhone, whether it's an Android phone, or whether it's a tablet like I'm using here, I'm going to go ahead and first open up the Play Store. We first need to download the alarm.com app. So I'm going to go to the search bar, I'm going to type in alarm.com. And then I'm going to hit the little search icon. And that should bring up the very first item, alarm.com. It'll be like a little silver and dark gray icon. It's at the very top here. Mine's already showing installed, but I just want to show you guys what it will look like. Obviously, where it says uninstall, you would have an install button, and mine actually needs an update, but I'll do the update later. Now, once you have this installed, it should show up on your home screen. And if you download the app without getting monitoring service first, you won't be able to log in because you won't have a username or password. So when you open up the app, it's going to ask you for username credentials. If you don't have an active service yet with an alarm company, you won't be able to log in. The app is free, you just don't have an account to log in with. So you want to make sure that you first get the system activated, you confirm with the technicians with the company that you choose that the account is live and ready to be used with alarm.com. Make sure all the pre-configurations are done. Just a little FYI, if you are planning on being monitored with Alarm Grid, just look for any of our cellular based plans, or that all of our alarm.com plans actually have the alarm.com logo underneath them. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to call in, email in, we'll be able to help you out. So after you confirm your system is activated with the company, you have your user login credentials, now you can go ahead and open up the app. Mine should automatically log me in because I have the auto login remember me feature on there. But when you first open it, you will get a sign in page where it'll ask you for your username and your password. That's all done with the welcome emails that you get from alarm.com when you get activated. Alright. And then as you see here, after I open up the app, I can arm, disarm. I have cameras, I have Z-Wave lights, I have a thermostat, shows me the weather. This is basically the app that you're going to use to arm and disarm the system with. This app will also send you email and text message notifications. Like I said, you can control lights, Z-Wave devices, cameras. You can set up scenes. You can create different users, delete users, take a look at the status of your sensors. We actually have a video on how to use the alarm.com app with the IQ2 panel, so make sure you search that as well if you're interested in getting more information on that. So this is just a quick video on how to connect an Android device to a Qolsys IQ Panel 2. If you guys have any questions, feel free to send us an email to support@alarmcare.com. If you found the video helpful, make sure you hit like underneath, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and hit the little bell icon so when we upload new content, you guys get notified. I'm George, and I'll see you guys next time.